kids, today we're going to talk about the simple present. We use the simple present when we talk about activities that we repeat and repeat and repeat. They can be routines like she does her homework every afternoon, or habits like we brush our teeth 3 times a day. We can also use the simple present for general facts or general truths like the sun rises in the east, or fish swim in the water. Good. Now, for the simple present, we need to use verbs. But look at this. Verbs in the simple present don't change or never change when we're using I, you, we, or they. For example, I eat apples, we eat apples, and so on. But look at this. This is very important, okay? When we're using he, she, it, our verbs in the simple present are going to change. They change only, check it out, only in the affirmative form. And they can change adding some letters. Sometimes they need an S, sometimes they need ES, and sometimes IES. But don't worry about that. In my next video, we're going to learn how to make these changes, okay? Don't worry. Now, look at this. He walks, she goes, it cries. Remember the pronouns. He refers to a boy, a man. She refers to a girl, a woman. And it can refer to an animal or a thing. Okay. Negative form, how to say no in the simple present, okay? We use 2 special words, don't and doesn't. We use don't when we are using I, you, we, or they. I don't go home, you don't go home, we don't go home, they don't go home. And for he, she, it, we use doesn't. He doesn't go home, she doesn't go home, it doesn't go home. Good. Now more examples. As we said before, we use the simple present for repeated actions like routines. This is Anna. Anna waters her plants on Mondays. She does it every Monday. She doesn't water her plants on Sundays. Now this is Jim. Jim swims every morning. He doesn't swim every night. We use the simple present for habits. I take a shower every morning. That is something I do every morning. I don't take a shower every afternoon. Now look at this boy. He's in class. And we say, you raise your hand to ask a question. You don't interrupt the teacher. Good? Like you. Remember you do that in class? You raise your hand? Good. We also use the simple present for general facts or general truths. For example, butterflies fly. Everybody knows that, so it's a general fact. They don't swim. Now this is a general truth. Domenica loves her cats. She doesn't like spiders. Okay, so that is how we use the simple present. And we have learned a lot. I know you're going to practice at home, and I hope to teach you more about this so that we can practice more. And tomorrow in my next video, we're going to learn how those verbs change in the simple present, okay? I'm glad to be here. We cannot see each other, but I know you can see me and I know you're okay. It's good to know that you are learning a lot. Thank you, kids. See you.